Okay guys, 2005 BMW 530i. Uh, I'm gonna show you guys how to replace the front shocks. First thing, we're gonna lift up the car and remove the front tires, both sides. As you can see already, remove it. Okay. Okay, after removing the tire, then we're gonna remove all this part from the brake caliper, all this part here. And now we're gonna remove these two bolts here. It's gonna be a 18 millimeter. Okay, so let me remove this. We're gonna remove both sides. Okay. Okay. As you can see, already remove the brake caliper, which is gonna leave it hanging here. Okay. Now we're gonna remove the other side. Okay. After removing the calipers both sides, then we're gonna need a 6 millimeter Allen socket, so we can remove this bolt here. So we're gonna remove the rotor. Okay, both sides. Okay, as you can see, I already removed the rotors, both sides. Okay, then we're gonna remove this nut here, so we can remove this bracket that holds this holding the brake line here. Okay, so let me remove this. We're gonna do it on both sides. Okay. Okay, as you can see, I already removed the nut and remove the bracket here. Okay, so now we're gonna remove the ABS sensor from this bracket here. Okay, both sides. Okay, after removing the ABS brake sensor, okay, then we're gonna remove this nut here, this one here, and this one here. It's gonna be three in the bottom from the low control arm and from the tie rod. Okay, so let me remove that. I'm gonna remove that both sides. Okay. Okay, after removing these three nuts from the low control arms, then we're gonna remove this nut from the link. Okay, from the strut. So let me remove that. Okay, so now we're gonna remove this front cover, front bottom cover, so we can remove this bolt here from the low control arm. Okay, both sides. Okay, as you can see, I already removed the bottom cover. We're gonna remove this bolt here from the low control arm, and this one here, both sides. Okay. Okay. As you guys can see already, is connect all the low control arms and everything. When you guys have everything loose on the bottom, then we're gonna lower down the car, and we're gonna remove the nuts from the struts, the ones from the top. Okay. Okay. So now we're gonna remove these three nuts here from the shock, both sides. Okay. So let me do that. Okay. As you can see, I already remove the right side, Now we're gonna remove the left side. Okay, as you can see, I already remove both sides. Okay, so now we're gonna remove the shock from the spindle. We're gonna hit it with the hammer here, so we can remove the shock away from the spindle. Okay, so we can replace the spring to the new shock. Okay, so we're gonna do that. Okay, as you can see, I already have the new shocks. So now we're gonna change the spring to the new shock. Okay, so let me do that. Okay, as you can see, I already have the new shocks ready with the springs. So now we're gonna put them in place. Okay, so now we're gonna put the shock on the spindle, both sides. Okay, as you can see, I already put the shock in the spindle. So now we're gonna put the right side in place. Okay, so first thing, we're gonna lift it up. We're gonna get the shock. We're gonna lift it up and we're gonna put the 3 nuts first here in the top. Okay, so let me do that. Okay, after putting the 3 nuts on the shock on the top, then we're gonna put this nut here from the low control arm. Okay, so let me tie that. Okay, then we're gonna put this low control arm in place. We're gonna put this bolt here. Okay, so now we're gonna connect the tie rod and the spindle and put the nut. Okay, then we're gonna tie the one at the bottom from the low control arm. Okay, okay, after tying all the bolts and the nuts from the low control arms, now we're gonna put the rotor. Okay. Okay, after putting the rotor, then we're gonna put the caliper, both sides. We're gonna put the 2 bolts here. Okay, after putting the caliper, then we're gonna put the bottom cover in place. Okay, after putting the bottom cover, then we're gonna put the tires in place. Okay, so now we're gonna tie this nut from the shock, the ones on the top, both sides. So okay, that's about it. That's how to replace the front shocks from the 2005 BMW 530i. If you guys like the videos, don't forget to subscribe. That's it, and thanks for watching.